This YouTube channel has uploaded just 24 videos, but has already gained 168 subscribers. One of its videos has nearly 4 million views, while another channel with 200,000 subscribers has a video that gained 1.2 million views. Many channels share similar success stories. But before I go into how you can do the same, make sure you smash that subscribe button to learn how you can go viral on YouTube, because nobody has more authority than AI authority. Ha 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 ha. The algorithm has changed, providing greater exposure to smaller creators. The YouTube team are trying to take inspiration from TikTok, where smaller accounts often appear on the For You page, gaining massive views on their early videos. This early success motivates creators to produce more content, resulting in an increase in videos, users, and revenue for TikTok. YouTube has adopted a similar model, but with a crucial difference. Videos must be high quality to be promoted. While YouTube previously prioritized frequent uploads, it now emphasizes quality as the best way to retain users on its platform. Small creators are leveraging this change to grow quickly and monetize their content. To benefit from this, focus on the quality of your next few uploads. YouTube defines high quality based on 3 key factors: average view duration, title, and thumbnail. Consistently succeeding in these areas can lead YouTube to promote your videos to millions, even if you have no subscribers. For example, a channel with only 400 subscribers posted a well-edited video that went viral and now has over 14,000 views. So how can we do this for ourselves? First, choose an interesting topic viewers are searching for. You can use a free Google extension called vidIQ to see how many subscribers a channel has when scrolling the results page. You can then directly compare a video's views to subscriber ratio, and so look for videos in your niche. Let's say you run a historical theme page. Look through and find a video which has great results. Here's one. This video has 350,000 views compared to their 24,000 subscribers. Now that we have our idea, we can get ChatGPT to create our script. Use this prompt, which I've added in the description of this video. This will make sure that you get a quickly written script about a topic that viewers are interested in. Then copy that script into a separate Google Doc where you'll make adjustments to make sure it sounds good and remove all AI sounding nonsense. Then from here you can go to Elevenlabs, where you can get AI to voice over your script, but make sure to only paste at maximum 500 characters of your script at a time. This will give your voice more energy, but also allows you to redo it if you make any mistakes. You can then take the script back to ChatGPT and ask it this prompt. This will give you an editing guide on how to make your video engaging. It will tell you where to add in B-roll, animations, captions, and sound effects. Your mission from here is to collect all these content assets. Then go into CapCut, add in all your collected content, and add in your talking head image. Then start chopping it up and adding in all the B-roll, sound effects, and motion graphics till you have a completed video. To top off your video, you will have to color grade it. Add an adjustment from up here and stretch it across the whole clip. Then increase the saturation to about 3 and lower the brightness by 1 or maybe 2. And there we have it, your video is complete. Then to create your thumbnail, go to Leonardo AI's free version and ask for something related to your niche. In this case, I'll ask for a dark and dry field, and there we go. That's a great image. I'll also ask for an animated soldier to have on the thumbnail. Take these into Canva and put them on the page. Add a vignette to make the page darker and more serious. Then add text to the screen to hint at what the video is about, but still keeps curiosity. Once you feel confident that your video is ready, upload it to YouTube and be patient. YouTube typically takes about 2 days to push a new video to the homepage for testing. If the algorithm detects a good click-through rate and high average view duration, it will promote your video to a larger audience. Right now is the best time to grow a YouTube channel. People more than ever are watching videos on YouTube, business owners are putting more money into ads, and it's getting easier every year to grow and monetize a channel. Start creating content today. Don't stress about making the perfect video, because you'll improve with each one. Just set a consistent schedule and stick to making videos every week and improving with each one. Other tips I recommend to grow your channel quickly are to engage with your audience. Interaction can significantly boost your channel's visibility. Respond to comments on your videos, ask viewers for their opinions, and encourage them to share your content. Building a community around your channel not only builds loyalty, but also increases engagement rates, which can lead to better algorithm performance. Analyze your metrics. Pay close attention to YouTube analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Look at metrics like watch time, traffic sources, and audience demographics. This data can guide your future content decisions and help you refine your approach. The platform is more accessible than ever for new creators, and with the right approach, your channel can grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on how you can grow your YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one.